Welcome to 190 Birch Avenue. It's a duplex in the Witherspoon-Jackson neighborhood of Princeton, New Jersey. This is a 3-bed, 1-bath, very sweet home. It has new and refinished hardwood floors. It's been freshly painted, has this beautiful sunroom in the back, off-street parking for between 2 and 3 vehicles, and it has 3 beds and 1 bath upstairs. The primary suite is nice and spacious. 2 closets there. Bedroom 2 is cute and sweet. Has a nice full bath shower combo. And a 3rd bedroom or office guest room. The house has a really nice private backyard, and it is walking distance to Community Park Elementary School in downtown Princeton. Come take a look.